Good evening everyone from the Splash Landings Hotel here at the Alton Towers Resort. And yeah, we're here to stay over tonight, so we've actually just had a full day at the theme park. And yeah, go check out what it's like. So obviously come in here, through there. And yeah, basically in the actual hotel now, it's basically what's mine, as you can see. It's over there. Check in over here, so you saw like the details, and then it will scan your rooms now. It's pretty cool. And yeah, those are the windows that you can see that you can actually get a good view of the water park. Yeah, extend over there, we'll go check that out in a bit. And obviously come down this corridor here. Our room is here, 1413. Nice standard rooms there. Here you got sort of iron there, sort of like a trolley there. Come in here, pretty nice bathroom, sink, toilet, shower and bath. Just here, and obviously you got your hand wash and stuff over there. Fresh towels. Yeah, the lighting's nice. Me just there. Come around here, you got like this little painting here. It's pretty cool. Just hanging here. Like obviously of the water park, like all the sort of designs and everything animated. And then yeah, so this is a standard room you can get. It comes with 2 bunk beds and a double bed. Yeah, basically get a good view of the outdoor part of the water park out there. And yeah, there's plenty of lights. Get all your complimentary stuff here. 2 Viennese swirls and 2 butterscotch crunch. Milk, kettle, coffee and everything, tea bags, 4 cups there, with the spoons already prepared. And yeah, so obviously if you look on the bunk beds you'll be able to see this. Sort of like a little book. You can sort of fill out this. Tell Margarita a bit about you. Yeah, sort of like these little activities, bit crayons too. And yeah, so you get the cool themed carpet too. You come over here, got this TV here, pretty average size, and yeah, you get the fan as well. Just add it on, just over there, and yeah. Obviously you've got the hairdryer here too. Get some more storage. Share around the middle as well. Come over here. Got even more storage in there as well. What that wire is just from a lamp. And yeah. So with the double bed it comes with this little side table here. Some little storage underneath. But it doesn't come with sort of like the adapter, the plug here where you can't plug anything in. These lamps here, it's got one on either side, and yeah, so this is the entertainment. See the girl with the dolls in the shoes, and she walks around like she got nothing to lose. She's a go-getter, she's everybody's time. She's the queen of the city, but she don't believe behind. She got her own elevation, own motivation. saw some highlights from the entertainment last night and also a bit of the water park at night. Yeah, some of the breakfast, so we've got some of the sort of pastries and muffins there. Sort of breakfast just there. Sort of like hash browns, bacon, tomatoes and stuff. Down there. Pancakes, fruit. And there you basically just have different things about what you can get before you coffee. And then you've got some of your juices over there. You also get some hot water as well. So we've just finished breakfast, actually just come outside here, nice weather again, and yeah, the staff were really nice and friendly, making sure to bring fresh food out until 10 o'clock, yeah, so obviously when breakfast ends, and yeah, it was really nice.
Nobody got to on that old.
As you can tell by the clips I put in just, yeah, we just did the Alton Towers Extraordinary Golf. Yeah, it was pretty good, nice to get there, do it again, especially with the better weather. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the Splash Landings Hotel vlog. There's also a really good arcade to go in, another sort of like mini, like merch shop as well in that hotel. And yeah, if you enjoyed my video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed my video, and yeah, see you in the next one.